how to create a marbling wave design such as this in Photoshop PC or Mac. In this example, I'm using gradients. I'm going to show you that, but also I'm going to show you how to do it with materials. Go to the gradient tool, select that, use a rainbow gradient or some other very colourful gradient, and linear, and also normal. Just hold down the mouse and just release very quick, just a very short distance. Don't go all the way down. Just create this very strong design like this. And then use the selection tool, rectangular marquee, and just select this part of the image. Then go to edit and copy, and then edit and paste. And repeat that a number of times, the edit and paste. And then you can move the design down. Now you can also resize this, maybe make it slightly smaller. You can vary the size. You don't have to keep them all consistent. Hold down the shift and shrink it a bit. Then repeat that. And you can create a very colourful design like that very quickly. Then go to layer and then flatten image. Then go to filter and down to distort and wave. And with that, number of generators 1, and you can vary the wavelength. So I'm going to push the wavelength to a fairly low value, about 80 or so. Set the max to the max, near enough. Also the amplitude, set that to 1, and again to the max for them there. Scale, this is the key one. Set the scale horizontal to 1%, that's the lowest it can go, and also vertical to 100%. Go for repeat and sign, and click OK. And you can see the design there. Well, what you can also do is you can play it a couple of times, 4 or 5 times, and that creates the marbling-like effect. Filter, wave, but you can also simply go back to it. So filter, and go down to distort, and to wave again. And this time, just vary it just slightly. Just create some slight variation, just subtle. Just tweak it, and then click OK. And that will create a subtle change to that wave to create very much a marbling effect. And you can really do that with these materials, because the materials are great for concrete, for various, whole load of them. Ominous, it says oinks, cork, and so on. And I'm just going to go with this one, ominous, but you could use any of them. Just click and that. You've got your design. Once you've done that, go to layer and flatten image. You don't have to, of course, you just use it as a layer, but I'm just going to go with that flattened. Go to image and then go to adjustments. And I'm going to go to levels because I just want to brighten it up a bit, just make it a bit clearer. So let's just brighten that, input, tweak that just slightly so you can just see the structure slightly better. Click OK. Once you've got that, again, you can go to filter. You could apply the wave again from here, the last filter. You can go down to distort and wave. And you can do exactly the same, number of generators. That's the key thing. Set that to 1. Also scale, keep low, and then you can just vary its amplitude and wave. And maybe you might go for, say, 59,999 there, and click OK. And you can see again, straight away, you've got this marbling-like wave design. You can also apply it again, so wave again, you can create that effect. Also, filter, go down here, distort, and wave. And you can apply it just again, but just subtly change the value, make it slightly bigger, and then click OK again. And that will create some variation in the wave. So you've got some slight subtle differences in that wave. And that creates that marbling-like effect. And you can apply it again. Again, just go to this wave, or go to distort and wave, and maybe vary it again. Just tweak it. Just go to amplitude, just tweak those settings, and you can see a little preview. It's not particularly great. And then click OK. And you can see the effect there. And of course, you can recolor it, apply adjustments, and much, much more. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.